And there's a lot of people are privileged Gen Z and a lot of or even corporate professionals who are being successful in their career, but now they are thinking about going to an entrepreneur. And one of the biggest fear amongst them is about setbacks, about the social status, about the pressure, about the workload. So on that one, I want to ask you. The next question is about as an entrepreneur, as being actually a serial entrepreneur, not just only one entrepreneur. You have done and try and learn from the mistake moving forward. So how do you deal with those setbacks as an entrepreneur? How do you deal with the pressures in your day-to-day life?
Setback means day-to-day life means yes, always everything has two sides. The coin have two sides. So that is everything has its price to pay for. Because I'm sure you read the a lot of story in the media, the ice cream in Alaska. Before anyone can see on the surface of the ocean, the ice cream, the beautiful ice cream, below there's a lot of things. A very solid foundation, a very solid ice that nobody see, nobody knows. Being an entrepreneur is a long, long journey. No one knows. No one gonna care because at the end of the day, people go back to sleep and take care of their own life. Right? Sometimes you cry in the dark. Sometimes you feel that you are the only one go against the entire world. No one gonna trust. Sometimes no one gonna trust. Go back and do normal life. Only I myself. In order to deal with that setback, why I am stressful, why I am alone, why nobody trusts me. If we have a better knowledge, we no longer be stressful, we no longer be lonely. I read this, and I did. I've been doing quite a number of meditations. We deal with we are stressful because we cannot control what's going on. If we have experience and knowledge, we will know what's going on. So that's why I mentioned point number one: keep learning, always be a student. All this will be solved. I hope I answered your question.
All right, viewers. Worried about being stressed, setback, and stressful? These are the four things of the tips coming from Renault. Number one, turn pain into energy. This is number. It's one of the key imagery. You have to see it. This is gonna be your energy, because if you use the number two, keep learning from your mistakes, and also from number three is about keep learning from other successful entrepreneurs as well too. It's not. You doesn't need to learn from only your own failure and own success. You can also learn from other people's success and failure too. And number four is about, Reynolds mentioned about, you need to have a positive mindset, and otherwise it will be pretty hard. So you need to build a positive mindset. To build a positive mindset, you need to have a positive lifestyle, positive system around you, and you have to have a positive habits. So if you could build these three things, then you could have a positive mindset with system, habits, and then that can help you to have staying in a positive state regularly. So I was having a chat with all of the shows, which I love to share with about, like Ronald. In the morning, he woke up in the morning, he went for a run, and that is one of the atomic habit can help someone to stay positive as well too. And that sounds very atomic, but that's atomic small habits can integrate together and can create a very powerful resource for dealing with different stresses, setbacks, and so on, and make somebody to go on and become successful.